Hi guys, are you ready for your class today?
Yes.
Today we're going to work on putting things away in the kitchen. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you to put things away. If you do not know where they go, what do you have to say?
I don't know.
Where do I put this? Where does it go? Okay? Okay, I'm going to give you an example. Ezra's going to help me. Ezra, can you please put away the plate in the sink?
Where does this go?
The plate goes up in the top cabinet on the first shelf on the right.
I can't reach.
Ask somebody for help.
I think I can figure it.
You can go ahead and get up on the counter if you need to.
Yeah, I think I can.
Okay. How about we ask Frida for help?
Can you help me?
Please.
Yeah.
Good job, Frida. Okay. Now, Carlos, can you please find the forks in the sink on the left side? Do you know which side is the left side?
Yep.
That's your right side. So this is the left side.
This?
Yes. Find the forks for me, please.
This one?
Good job. Okay, can you please put them away for me?
I don't know what to do.
Okay.
Where?
Where do they go, Melissa?
Where do they go?
They go in this drawer right here in the middle. Okay, good job, Carlos. Okay, Carla. Carla, can you get the pan out of the sink and put it away, please? The pan.
I don't know what it's fun.
Okay. Can somebody help Carla? Does anybody know what a pan is?
Me.
You do? Okay, you can show her.
This is a pan. Oh. It's to cook eggs. Where's the
Where does the pan go?
Where is the pan go?
Where
Where
does
does
the
the
pan go?
pan go?
Go. The pan goes towards the back. All the way towards, yes. Good job. Okay, Leslie, it's your turn. Leslie, you have to put that away. Say, where does it go? Where
Where
does
does
it
it
go?
go?
Good job. It goes in here. And you have to turn this like that. And it goes under. Good job, Leslie.
Leslie, you said adorable.
Okay, Frida's turn. Frida, can you please get the rest of the plates in the sink? And put them away. The plates. No, just the plates. Good job. Okay, do you remember where they go? Leslie, come here so she can put them away. Please. All right. Good job, Frida.